Hello to WonderBuddy, a magical screen-free storyteller, your child's perfect companion and entertainer. We're excited to show you how to access content, explore key features, record your own voice, upgrade content, and connect your device. Let's dive into screen-free fun. At the front of the story box, you'll find a round knob. To switch it on, rotate to the right till you hear a click. To switch it off, rotate to the left till you hear a click. Simple, isn't it? You can adjust the volume by rotating the knob. Rotate to the right to make your media louder or to the left to make it softer. What's more, the story box also has an audio jack to plug in headphones. WonderBuddy transports your little ones into a magical world of adventure with over 500 captivating stories and rhymes. With the Rhymes key, enjoy 3 playlists: all-time favorites, sing-along rhymes, and learn-along rhymes. Easily browse through the playlists. Press to play the next playlist, or double press to play the previous one. The Stories key unlocks 7 exciting playlists: fantastic fairy tales, fabulous fables, tales from around the world, adventure tales, spellbinding stories, spooktacular stories, and sci-fi thrillers. Easily browse through the playlist. Press to play the next playlist, or double press to play the previous one. Browse through tracks within a playlist using the next and previous keys. Long press to skip the next or previous 5 tracks. Press the play-pause key to stop and resume the track. With WonderBuddy's open ecosystem, adding your own content is a breeze in just 3 simple steps. First, connect the device to your computer using the included Type-C cable and switch it on. Then, drag and drop your files into any of the 3 unique folders preloaded in WonderBuddy. Once the transfer is complete, close the WonderBuddy drive and disconnect. Access your new content anytime by short pressing the Content Upgrade key. Want to leave a sweet message for your little one or let them dream of becoming a singer? With WonderBuddy's simple voice recording feature, it's easy. Just long press the recording key to start recording your voice and single press when you're done. The recording plays back instantly so you can hear it right away. Need to delete a previous recording? Simply double press the key while it's playing. Have a set of tracks your little one loves to hear on repeat? Use loop mode to play them over and over. To activate or turn off loop mode, simply press the loop key on the top of the story box. Create a playlist of your little one's favorite tracks with ease. To add a track, simply long press the heart key while it plays, and it will be saved automatically. Access the Favorites playlist by pressing the heart key once. If a track is no longer a favorite, just double press the heart key while it's playing to delete it. The story box also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. Simply long press the mode key on the device to enter Bluetooth mode. Then, on your smartphone or laptop, select WonderBuddy W11 and enter the password 0000 if prompted. That's it! You can now stream your favorite content directly from your device. Alternatively, you can connect your mobile device via USB for easy playback. Now that you've learned the ropes, let's talk about battery life. The story box packs up to 20 hours of fun on a single charge. To charge, use the Type-C USB cable provided by plugging into the socket at the back of the device. Now that we've covered everything you need to know, here are a few things to remember while using WonderBuddy. Need a hand with WonderBuddy? Our support team is here to save the day. Write to us at help@wonderbuddyworld.com or visit our website, wonderbuddyworld.com. We can't wait to jump right into all the fun we're going to have together. See you soon!